Did you know that men over 50 can naturally boost their testosterone levels to those of a 20-year-old? It might sound surprising, but it's entirely possible. As we age, our bodies go through changes, and for men, hormonal imbalances can become more common. This often leads to issues like low testosterone, reduced energy, and other health challenges. But don't worry, there are natural ways to address these concerns. In today's video, we're diving into some effective methods to help restore your testosterone levels and improve your overall health. We'll explore practical dietary and lifestyle changes that can enhance your vitality and masculinity naturally. Imagine feeling more energetic, confident, and ready to take on the day with renewed vigor. You might be wondering why this is important. Well, maintaining healthy testosterone levels is crucial for your energy, mood, and even your heart health. It's not just about feeling younger. It's about living a fuller, more active life. And while it might seem challenging at first, these changes are achievable and can make a significant difference. We'll guide you through simple steps you can incorporate into your daily routine. From the foods you eat to the activities you enjoy, small adjustments can lead to big improvements. So, if you're ready to reclaim your energy and health, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's embark on this journey together and discover how you can feel your best at any age. Let's dive into the power of nutrition and how it can naturally boost your testosterone levels. You might be surprised to learn that certain foods can play a significant role in enhancing testosterone production and balancing your hormones. Let's start with pumpkin seeds. These little seeds are packed with zinc, a mineral that's crucial for testosterone production. Including a handful of pumpkin seeds in your diet can make a big difference. Zinc helps your body produce more testosterone, which is essential for maintaining energy and vitality. Next up, we have egg yolks. Now, I know some of you might be concerned about cholesterol, but here's the thing. Cholesterol is actually a building block for hormones, including testosterone. So, don't shy away from enjoying those egg yolks. They provide the cholesterol your body needs to produce hormones effectively. Just remember, moderation is key. Let's talk about Brazil nuts. These nuts are a fantastic source of selenium, a mineral that protects your cells and supports hormone levels. Selenium is important because it helps your body maintain a healthy balance of hormones, including testosterone. Just a couple of Brazil nuts a day can give you the selenium boost you need. Now, while these foods are beneficial, it's important to be mindful of overconsumption. Eating too much of any one food can lead to other health issues. So, the key here is to incorporate these foods into your diet in moderation. By doing so, you can enjoy the benefits without any negative side effects. The reason these nutrients are so important is that they provide the building blocks your body needs for hormone production and balance. Zinc, cholesterol, and selenium all play vital roles in keeping your testosterone levels where they should be. I remember when I first started incorporating these foods into my diet, I noticed a real difference in my energy levels and overall well-being. It was a simple change, but it had a big impact. So why not give it a try? Start adding these foods to your meals and see how you feel. And I'd love to hear from you. Comment below with your favorite testosterone boosting food. Let's share our experiences and learn from each other. Let's talk about something that might be affecting your testosterone levels without you even realizing it. Plastics. You might be wondering, how can something as common as plastic have an impact on your hormones? Well, it turns out that certain chemicals found in plastics can mimic hormones in your body, leading to imbalances. One of the main culprits is BPA, which is often found in plastic bottles and food containers. BPA can mimic estrogen, a hormone that can disrupt your body's natural balance, especially when it comes to testosterone. Now, I know it might seem overwhelming because plastics are everywhere. They're in our kitchens, our bathrooms, and even in some of the products we use daily. But don't worry, there are simple steps you can take to reduce your exposure. One of the easiest changes you can make is to switch from plastic to glass or stainless steel containers for storing food and drinks. These materials don't contain harmful chemicals like BPA, so they're a safer choice for your health. You might be thinking, but plastics are so convenient. And you're right, they are. However, The long-term benefits of reducing your exposure to these hormone disruptors can be significant. By making small changes, like using a glass water bottle instead of a plastic one, you're taking a step towards better hormone balance and potentially boosting your testosterone levels. It's important to acknowledge that avoiding plastics completely can be challenging. They're so prevalent in our lives that it might feel like an impossible task. But remember, every little bit helps. Start with the changes that are easiest for you and gradually work towards reducing your plastic use even more. Think about the positive impact these changes can have on your health. By choosing alternatives like glass or stainless steel, you're not only helping your hormone balance, but also contributing to a healthier environment. It's a win-win situation. I'd love to hear from you. What are some ways you've found to reduce plastic use in your daily life? Share your tips in the comments below. Your experiences might just inspire someone else to make a change. Let's dive into some natural remedies that can help enhance your testosterone levels. These supplements not only support your hormone health, but also improve your overall well-being. First up, we have maca root. This powerful plant has been used for centuries to balance hormones and boost energy. If you're looking to enhance your libido and feel more vibrant, maca root might be just what you need. It's a natural way to give your body a little extra support. Next, let's talk about cacao. Yes, the same ingredient found in chocolate. Cacao is rich in magnesium, which is essential for improving blood flow and maintaining hormone balance. By incorporating cacao into your diet, you can enjoy a delicious treat while also supporting your testosterone levels. It's a win-win situation. Now, let's discuss his yam cream. This topical cream is known for its ability to enhance masculinity and vitality. By applying it to your skin, you can experience a natural testosterone boost. It's a simple and effective way to support your body's needs. However, it's important to remember that supplements can interact with medications you might be taking. So, before starting any new supplement, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider. They can help ensure that what you're taking is safe and beneficial for you. The reason these natural supplements are so effective is that they provide essential nutrients and support hormone health. They work with your body to enhance your well-being rather than against it. I've personally seen the benefits of these supplements. A friend of mine started using maca root and noticed a significant increase in his energy levels and overall vitality. It's amazing what a little natural support can do. So, have you tried any natural testosterone boosters? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Let us know in the comments below. Your insights could help others on their journey to better health. Remember, taking care of your body is a lifelong journey, and these natural remedies can be a valuable part of that process. Keep exploring and finding what works best for you. Aging gracefully is a journey we all embark on, and it's about embracing each stage of life with vitality and health. As you age, maintaining your well-being becomes even more important. Think of it as nurturing a garden. With the right care, it flourishes. Staying active, eating well, and keeping a positive mindset are key. It's not just about adding years to your life, but life to your years. Sure, there might be challenges, like changes in energy levels or health concerns, but these can be managed with a proactive approach. Remember, aging is a natural process, and it's about how you choose to navigate it. What does aging gracefully mean to you? Share your thoughts below. We've explored how nutrition, avoiding plastics, and natural supplements can boost testosterone levels naturally. It's amazing how simple changes in your daily routine can make a big difference. By focusing on a balanced diet rich in whole foods, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Avoiding plastics, especially in food storage, helps reduce exposure to harmful chemicals that can disrupt your hormones. And natural supplements, like zinc and vitamin D, can support your body's natural testosterone production. You might wonder why these steps are important. Well, maintaining healthy testosterone levels can improve your energy, mood, and overall well-being. It's not just about feeling younger, it's about living your best life at any age. Sure, it might seem challenging to change habits, but start small. Swap out plastic containers for glass, add more leafy greens to your meals, or take a walk in the sunshine for that vitamin D boost. These are manageable steps that can lead to significant improvements. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us reach more people who can use this information. Remember, aging is a natural journey, but with the right choices, you can maintain your vitality and health. It's about making informed decisions that empower you to live fully and joyfully. Thank you for watching.